Welcome outdoors, and now we're gonna go to Grytåsa. Can't pronounce that properly. We are there. Mama is there. I was planning to go there, but then I decided I will go there. But then I was like, okay, maybe I should go there. I was in the bus for going there, and then I was like, hey, why not stop there? So that's where I stopped. So
the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting down. Yeah, on a bad day.
what's maybe coming is a storm. And it's winter, so maybe a snowstorm. We're gonna go in nature and enjoy a storm.
On a good day, I don't need no sunshine, 'cause I'm dancing with the rain. You will see me running, thinking I might be insane. I don't need no sunshine, you keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on.
It's ice, it's not snow. Though it's getting white, it's pretty nice.
Looking out the window, reflecting who I am.
So arrived at the shelter of Grytåsa. There is nobody, it's pouring ice. So I think I'm gonna just set up the tent in the shelter. You know, it's an easy way to keep it dry and even more comfortable.
No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle.
Okay, camp is ready, tent is over there, and the fire is on the way.
Life might be a